Developing tonight, we're getting a first-hand look at where and how the Pfizer COVID-19 vaccine will be stored once it gets to Southeast Texas. To tell us more about the distribution plan for the vaccine, KFDM's Paige Hubbard joins us outside of Baptist Hospital in Beaumont. Paige.
Hey, Tiffany, with that vaccine expected to reach Southeast Texas in a matter of days, I think the main questions folks are asking is when can they get it, where it will be distributed, and will it be safe? Tonight, after speaking to the pharmacy operations manager here at Baptist, we're getting the answers to those questions. The beginning to the end of a very grueling pandemic could be near as COVID-19 vaccines are expected to make their way to Baptist Hospital by this week. In the meantime, staff at Baptist are already preparing for the arrival.
We have prepared our storage requirements, which include an ultra-low freezer. This freezer must be able to get down to temperatures of -60 degrees Celsius and -80 degrees Celsius.
This freezer will store the vaccines. It's important for the freezer to remain at a certain temperature to protect the sensitive proteins the vaccine contains. Once the vaccines arrive, Baptist will open an emergency space and operate off of a tier system. That will allow the most critical frontline workers to be vaccinated first.
The hospital will most likely just follow the CDC guidelines as far as who to release it to next. But at this point, we're not quite there yet in our planning phases.
The operations manager at the pharmacy believes getting the vaccines from the distribution center to hospitals and then into the patient will be one of the most challenging aspects because of the vaccine-sensitive nature. But as COVID cases rage across the nation and concerns over the vaccine ensue, Johnson wants to send a message to the community about the safety of the vaccine.
The FDA has done a rigorous job looking at the safety and efficacy data that is available from the Pfizer study. So I would recommend that you get the COVID vaccine. However, it is a personal decision. No one is mandating it at this time.
And since the Pfizer vaccine will require 2 doses taken 21 days apart from each other, the hospital will receive a second shipment, but that date is still not determined at this time. Live in Beaumont, Paige Hubbard, KFDM 6 News.